Hello everyone, welcome to our video series on CRM. In today's topic, we will going to cover challenges and best practice to implement CRM for your company. Consider your company is in center of your customer. It means your customer is surrounded by your company. You have various challenges to manage your customer and communication with the customer. So let's start and explore how various challenges are there to implement the CRM and what are the best practices to overcome that. Thank you. Number one, data quality. While you are working with the CRM, you will see a lot of data inaccuracy. Many customers' data is fed up and inconsistent state. So having the data quality is the very important things and big challenge which you see while you are working with the CRM. Number two, resistance to changes. You see, like when you done the implementation of the CRM and after team will going to use that and you imply the new changes to the CRM, but sometimes team got resisting those implementation inside the CRM, so you will get a lot of hiccups from the team for those changes and they are not ready to adopt those changes to the CRM system. So this is the big challenge while you are working with the CRM with your team. Challenge is number three, integration issue. While you're working with the CRM, your CRM only cannot fulfill all your needs. So you should require to have an integrate with the other system. So the challenge you will going to face is like seamless integration with other systems. Inappropriate integration with the CRM may cause a lot of damages to your CRM. So this is a big challenge while you do the implementation with the CRM. Challenge is number four, user adoption. Even if you have best of the best CRM of the world, if your team will not going to adopt, CRM will not be used in your company. It means CRM will be useless for you. So in order to have the CRM to be work well with your company, users adoption is number one, and that's the biggest challenge for you to have the CRM to be work for your company. It means user can use the CRM properly. Now let's talk about the best practice. What are the best practice to have a CRM to be work well for your company? Let's talk about various best practices for the CRM. Number one, as we mentioned in our earlier video, clear objective to have the CRM for your company is very important for you. So you should have a proper documentation of what's your clear objective to have CRM to be implemented for your company. So that is number one things which you have to consider as an best practices for implementing the CRM for your company. Number two, best practices. Let's talk about best practices for data cleanup. You should have a regular data cleanup inside the CRM to make sure that CRM has to be up to date with the latest data. So data cleanup is very important task you should have and you should have to do in a weekly or bi-weekly basis. So your CRM would be a clean enough where you can get the latest data and latest communication with your customer. Best practice number three, cross-functional team. You should have to involve people from the different departments, people who know CRM well. So you will see a proper requirement from them, as well as you will get to know what changes you have to do in the CRM for each department. Hope this will be a best practice which you have to apply company wise to make sure CRM will give you a proper output of what you need from the CRM. Best practice number four, training and support. As we mentioned earlier in our videos, training and support is very important. Training is key things for you to have the CRM to be successful for your company. Support is also a key where whoever will going to use the CRM, they need a regular support from either administrative team or a technical team to make sure that your team will get support from both of your team in proper manner. Best practice number 5, continuous improvement. You know your CRM is a life system, so continuous improvement with the CRM is really needed. You have to keep improve and enhance various features of the CRM to meet latest requirement of the users as well as latest trend going on in the market. So hope this practice will going to help you to have the CRM to be work properly for your company. Hope you like this video. This video covers best practices and challenges. We'll come up with the more video related to this. If you have any question or concern, feel free to talk to us. We'll help you to implement the CRM for your company.